Where you going now?
Chasing after son Jimmy has not been easy for Jim Hackett.
I figured, 2 years down the road, I want to be able to run around with them, play ball with them, whatever. And at the rate I was going, that wasn't going to happen.
Years working as a police officer have taken a toll on his knees.
It just gets to a point where your knee just says that's enough, and you end up with cartilage problems.
Dr. Brian Cole is using stem cells to repair Jim's cartilage.
Several small holes are made into the bone to make it bleed intentionally, and in that blood are our own body's stem cells that lay down fibrocartilage or scar cartilage.
Then stem cells from umbilical cord blood are combined with hyaluronic acid, a building block of cartilage.
And the hope is through acting as a regulator in that area, they can actually improve the healing response.
Jim is back on his feet
Knees are great. I'm able to kneel now, and prior to the surgery, I couldn't do that.
and ready to keep up with little Jimmy. I'm Marty Salt reporting.